Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and safe. So today is the second part for the plant physiology important points, the one-liners. So who used the term florigen for a flowering stimulus hormone? It is M. Chalikian. Mineral element which is involved in stomatal movement is potassium. Wait a minute friends. Okay. Then the mineral element which is involved in stomatal movement is potassium. Light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in thylakoid. Breaking of seed dormancy by low temperature treatment of moist seeds is termed as stratification. RNA synthesis takes place in ribosomes, which is the essential factor for the germination of seed. It is air. Soaking of water by dry substances due to hydrophilic colloids is imbibition. Shrinkage of protoplasm due to outward flow of water in a hypertonic solution is plasmolysis. Effect of global warming is somewhat good on C4 plants because the efficient user of carbon dioxide. Emerson and Lewis in 1943 they observed that quantum yield declined sharply at wavelength greater than 600 nanometer in red zone, also called red drop. The red spectrum wavelength of 580 nanometer to 680 nanometer of light, which is the most effective for inducing the flowering in both short day and long day plants. Otto Warburg in 1920 found that the photosynthesis in algae was inhibited by oxygen. This occurs in all C3 plants and this effect is known as Warburg effect. The light intensity at which the photosynthetic intake of carbon dioxide is equal to the respiratory output of carbon dioxide is called as compensation point. Therefore, the net photosynthesis is zero at the compensation point. The cold treatment to a plant bud or the seedling in order to fulfill a specific low temperature requirement, especially for the cool loving plants, is known as vernalization. And this term was coined by Lysenko. Translocation of water and nutrients from roots to the above ground parts of plants takes place through xylem. In water molecule, angle between H and oxygen, that is hydrogen and oxygen molecule, is 105 degree. Mineral deficiency in plants can be quickly corrected by foliar spray. The mass flow or the pressure flow theory for the movement of food was given by Munch. The total amount of water present in the soil is called as Hullard. Thank you friends and have a nice day.